everyone! Today, I'm going to share some fantastic tips and tricks for Windows 11 that will make your workflow smoother and more efficient. If you're ready to level up your Windows skills, let's dive right in. Tip number 1, Virtual Desktops. First up, let's talk about virtual desktops. If you've ever wished for a more organized way to handle multiple tasks, this one's for you. Simply press Windows plus Tab to open Task View, where you can add a new virtual desktop. This lets you separate workspaces, maybe one for work apps, another for personal browsing, or a dedicated gaming setup. It's a game changer for multitasking and focus. Tip number 2, Emoji Board. Next, we have the Emoji Board, which is super fun and a hidden gem in Windows 11. To open it, just press Windows plus. Period, asterisk asterisk, and voila! A whole range of emojis, symbols, and even GIFs are ready for you to spice up your chats, emails, and more. Plus, it has the latest emojis for all your moods. Tip number 3, Quick Access to Settings. Last but not least, let's look at Quick Access to Settings. This shortcut is super handy. Just right-click on the Start menu, and a list of essential settings will pop up, including Task Manager, Network Connections, Device Manager, and more. It's a quick way to reach what you need without digging through menus. And there you have it. 3 powerful Windows 11 tips that can save you time and make your Windows experience way better. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite tip in the comments below. Thanks for watching.